Here's a great deal on a 2008 Dodge Ram 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck has just over 80,000 miles. Dodge infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and much more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We encourage you to browse our online inventory, schedule a test drive, and investigate financing options.